Sound off.
Sir, I'm the letter M. I am a consonant. I make only one sound. Mmm.
You make only the sound. No exceptions?
No, sir. No exceptions. I only make the sound.
And you're never silent.
Never.
That's music to my ears, letter M. Give me some examples of the sound.
As in milk. Ilk, milk.
I like milk.
As in meat. Eat, meat.
I like meat. Nothing like a nice, juicy steak.
As in money. Money, money.
I really like money. Money, money, money.
As in mud. Mud.
Mud? Why'd you say mud? It messed up my thought bubble. I hate mud. Mud is messy.
Mud may be messy, but mud is an M word, sir.
All this talk about mud is making me mad. Line up, letter M.